Good afternoon, everyone out there on the interwebs. My name is Jared, and this is my channel, Mazda B3K. This is going to be an entry in the 5-Minute Fix series, and it's going to be how do you replace the gas cap on your 1995 Mazda Miata. Without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing you got to do, you got to pop open the cap lid. Pop there. You may think this is a silly video, but there's a little bit more to it than just screwing in the cap. So this one had an aftermarket cap. It was too big, so keeping the fuel door like that, which is just no good. So I bought a used replacement cap because a brand new one is like $40 and this was $20. But if you look at the O-ring there, you see the problem. That O-ring is not long for the world. So we need to swap that out before you put this back in. Now, I have already purchased a replacement O-ring. Cost me like $7, so I'm still coming out about $6 ahead than if I'd bought a new one, because the new caps do come with a new O-ring. So we're going to need to get some picks and get a pick, pull this off, and then we'll roll the new one on. Alright, so we got our pick, we have our cap, and let's see if I can't put this on a kickstand so you guys can see me working on this. Alright. There we go. So you're going to take your pick, you're going to get it under the O-ring. As you can see, this O-ring is pretty bad shape. And you're just going to go around, kind of work your way up until it's off. Now this O-ring's pliable, but it's cracked. It's falling apart. Another thing I noticed is these O-rings are different sizes. This ought to be interesting. So we're going to try to squeeze this guy on here. Squeeze being the operative term here. Alright, let me fight with this a bit. I'll bring you back. Alright, so I got it down in position. It is pretty tight, but it did snap in place, and it looks pretty good. So I think we're going to be alright. Now that we got that done, we just screw it in. There you go. Now, I think because of the O-ring, this one's not going to click. You just tighten it till it's snug, and then close the door. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this 5-Minute Fix episode. So please like, share, subscribe, leave some comments, let me know how I'm doing. And remember, I make the mistakes so you don't have to. And I will see you next episode.